This video, I have to explain joint venture. Meaning, joint venture refers to joint business. Two or more persons undertake a particular business to earn profit. They share the profit in an agreed ratio. In the absence of any agreement, profit will be divided equally. The participants in the joint venture are called co-ventures. In simple terms, when two or more business entities come together to achieve a common purpose, it's called a joint venture. And joint venture, each of the members is responsible for profits and losses and costs associated with it, and it is also known as co-ventures. Features. The first one, it can be formed by two or more persons. In joint venture, when two or more persons join together to carry out a specific business venture. The next, no specific firm name is used for the joint venture business. Normally, in joint venture, do not use any firm name because its duration is limited to a short period. Third one, joint venture is a temporary business activity. In joint venture, basically temporary nature only. The agreement regarding the venture will automatically stand out to be terminated as soon as the venture is completed. The last one, the joint venture share their profit and loss in the agreed ratio. In the absence of any other agreement required between the joint venture, the profits and losses are to be shared equally. In joint venture, profits and losses are shared in agreed proportion. There is no agreement regarding the distribution of profit, they will share profit equally. Next we see differences between joint venture and partnership. The first one, joint venture, no firm name is required. Joint venture don't require unique name. Partners can refer to it using their own names. Partnership, firm name is required. Partnership firm must always have its own unique name to signify its separate identity. The next, joint venture, separate set of books are not maintained. In joint venture, parties not maintain separate books of accounts for their common activities, and co-ventures can maintain all these accounts in his own books. Partnership, separate set of books are maintained. Partnership firm have to mandatorily maintain books of accounts. And third, persons carry on the business are called co-venture in joint venture. In joint venture, partners called joint ventures or co-ventures. Partnership, persons carry on the business are called partners. In partnership firms comprises of partners. And fourth one, the profit is ascertained for each venture. Profit and losses are shared by the co-ventures is an agreed ratio. Partnership, the profit is ascertained annually. In partnership firms, always ascertain the profit annually. The last one, as soon as a particular venture is over, joint venture comes to an end. Joint venture business usually come to an end once the purposes for which they were formed are achieved by the parties. Partnership, the partnership does not come to an end by the completion of a particular job. In case of partnership, partners can dissolve their firm with mutual consent. The firm also get dissolved if a new partner joins or an existing partner leaves or dies. Next, journal entries for joint venture. The first one, for opening joint bank account. The initial contribution made by co-ventures, the entry joint bank account data to venturers account. The next, for purchase, when goods are purchased and money is spent on joint venture, the entry cash purchases in joint venture account data to joint bank account. Next, credit purchases, joint venture account data to creditors account. The next, for expenses, when any expenses are incurred by the parties, entries are paid from joint bank, joint venture account data to joint bank account. Then by venturer, joint venture account data to venturer account. Next, for sales proceed. If any sales are made, Entries received in joint bank account data to joint venture account, then received by venturer account data to joint venture account. The next for unsold stock taken by venturer. Sometimes some goods are unsold, so entries are venturer account data to joint venture account. The next for allocation of profit and loss. Joint venture account will show a profit and loss account. The profit will be divided into the agreed proportion. So profit entry, joint venture account data to each venturer's account. Clause, each venturer's account data to joint venture account. Clause, for paying off to ventures for joint bank. It final settlement. Entry, joint venturer's account data to joint bank account.